Hey everyone, to do paper trading you must install the Chrome extension of TradingToolX. How to install video is given in the description of this video. After installing, click paper trade. It will open one small window like this. You can choose between Nifty and Banknifty. There is around 10 call options and there is around 10 put option. Likewise for Nifty there is around 10 call option and 10 put option. It includes one in the money option as well. And click the load button after choosing decide strike prices. This is 12,900 call and 12,850 put. This is the latest price. This is the bid. This is the offer. Likewise for put option, this is LTP. This is bid and offer. You can press left arrow to sell the call option, up arrow to buy the call option, right arrow to sell the put option, and down arrow to buy the put option. And you can adjust the lot size here. And there is an option to adjust stop loss and target as well. Likewise, to change the options for Bank Nifty, choose the Bank Nifty and change the lot size, SL and target respectively. You can just press the arrow keys in your keyboard to place the order. I am pressing left arrow now to sell the call option, up arrow to buy the call option, and right arrow to sell the put option, and down arrow to buy the put option. So that's it, trades have been placed here. To exit a position, click the close icon on that particular row. It will exit that position. To clear all the position, press the space bar. It will clear it. And to exit all position, click the X icon on the header of the table. To exit the last open position, press the X key like this. You can open multiple trade, and I am pressing the X key now. It will close the last position. And the position that I closed comes under booked profit loss. Remaining will be in open profit loss. And in open position it will show the number of open trades. Also we will be getting live option price of call and put, and also we get the live IV of call and put, that is yellow color line. So you can just look into it and do the scalping. Another unique feature of this paper trading is whenever you are taking any paper trades, it considers the slippages like it happens in the real-time market. You can see as soon as the trade is placed, it starts with the loss and then the profit is happening. That is because whenever you are buying the option, it buys from the best offer. Also when you are exiting the buying position, it sells back to the best bid. So that is why the slippages is considered like real time. Also when you are selling option, it sells to the best bid, and when squaring off, it buys back from the best offer. So instead of just buying and selling from the LTP, since we are buying and selling from bid and offer respectively, this paper trading imitate the real-time trading that you'll be doing in the broker terminal. So once you practice it, it will be benefiting in the real-time trading also. You can use this paper trading window over any of your existing screen. For example, this is the IV chart of TradingToolX. If you are planning to do paper trading in short triangles, you can open the IV chart in background and you can sell both the call and put option like this, and check what is happening when the IV is increasing or decreasing in both the call and put. So as you guys know that when the IV is increasing in both the call and put, your short triangles will result in loss, and when the IV is crashing in both the call and put, your short triangle will result in profit. So those kind of things you can experiment with this paper trading, so you can understand the behavior of short triangles. You can also use the paper trading window over the scalper tool for scalping purpose. Always remember to buy the option only when the IV is, that is yellow color line, is at the bottom, and sell the option only when the IV is in the top. So that way your stop loss won't be hit easily. Now IV is at the bottom. As soon as we got the red color, I brought the put option. As you can see, we are resulting in the profit. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please watch the IV behavior. It is very important while doing scalping or short triangles or long triangles. Whatever you are doing, try to master the IV using this paper trading. Also, I am trying to bring most popular brokers to this TradingToolX Chrome extension, so you can just use the arrow keys and place trades directly to your broker terminal. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video. See you, bye.